Yes, you guys are hiding. You guys are celebs now, huh? Jenny Kubo.
So you had a damage from the field.
Excuse me.
When it's lab, they do the lab samples. This is the section that you feel
This is the pharmacy. Yeah.
So we serve
Journalists, this is a quick announcement. If you're a member of the press, let's meet at the registration desk such that I can verify the details you've given us. All journalists, let's meet at the registration desk. Thank you.
Every day with you is a healthy day. I don't need no one, Kunia, baby.
Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, in a short while, as soon as the tour is over, we'll be ready for food. But special shouts out to Media Challenge Initiative Production for all the corporate events. They're the ones who have done all our video live feeds. All your video needs, live feed production needs, these are the guys to go to. Media Challenge Initiative. And you can just go by the media table there and they will sort you out. In the meantime, I don't know if we're back. Are we good? Alright, yeah, so DJ, you fast to be.
Every day with you is a healthy day. I don't need no one, Kunia, baby. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Rocket health on a regular, Kunia, oh, Kunia,
si weetaaga mu byobulamu nga mwesigwa era nga mwangu. Rocket Health yoyo gwetaaga. Tuli awo kunniya okwebuliza omusawo gusi, laboratory test, okutuusaako eddagala, okugemereko ewuwo, byonna bye wandyetaaze. Rocket Health ekutuusaako. Nyiga bunyizi *280# oba kuba 0800 277 015. Rocket Health awo kunniya.
Receiving your vaccination shot or keeping up with your little one's vaccination schedule has never been easier. Rocket Health now comes to your doorstep to administer the vaccine and do any tests. And guess what? Placing your order is concise, seamless, and takes less than a minute. Simply dial *280#, select clinic, and then vaccination. Now sit back and relax. Our team will contact you shortly to confirm your request. No queues, no traffic, and no delay in your schedule. You can also visit our e-shop via www.rockethealth.shop to order from our wide range of childhood and adult vaccines, including private or paid vaccines and government or free vaccines. Distance is not a challenge. We can go as far as Entebbe, Wakiso, Gayaza, and Mukono. With Rocket Health, healthcare is made easy, affordable, and convenient anytime. Healthcare now for tomorrow.
Hello.
Hello, people of God.
My name is Ruth Naseje. I'm the media strategist, Kira Motors Corporation.
I'm Marita. I'm a lawyer. I work with Simbel Advocates.
Richard Biangisha is my name. I am an IT professional, currently working with SGS.
Raymond Mijini. I am a journalist and I am also a storyteller and a blogger.
Aida Mehanje. I am a teacher by profession.
Engineer John Pogminkriza.
Olivia Chambade. I'm married to Jenna Chambade.
Letitia Iguma. I am a wife and I am a mother of 2 daughters.
Angela, I'm an accountant.
I'm Geno Eric, a resident of Kampala and also working in Kampala. Very passionate about sport.
Janet Katusime. I am the Business Development Officer at the Insurance Training College. Charity Winnie Kamsime Asimwe. I work with EcoBank Group.
Samantha, I'm a lawyer by profession.
Morichi Rizarita. Patricia, I'm a digital comms specialist.
I have followed the TMCG story right from the days of Inspire Africa. It was a show about entrepreneurship. They had different participants, different contestants. I've always wanted to know where his story will go because I thought that his dream was big. He was speaking passionately about how he would wish for people to access medical services in their homes.
I started using Rocket Health, or what we used to call WhatsApp Doctor, in 2015.
I used to DM TMCG every single time I had any slightest of a flu wave threat.
I received a flyer from one of my friends that had WhatsApp Doctor, which I found interesting. And at that time, I was a first-time mother. And of course, there's a lot of panic for first-time mothers. You know, when the child gets a hiccup, you want to consult the doctor.
You could just text, and they were on 24 hours.
But they were really quick and fast, and I spoke to a doctor almost immediately and instantly, and they met.
About Rocket Health on the Twitter timeline, a friend was saying how she had gone for a full body checkup.
There was this lockdown. I didn't quickly go back to Kamwenge. So when I told a friend I wasn't feeling well, with the lockdown on, gave me advice and information about Rocket Health. I got in touch with them and they were willing to come over and see me, and they were willing to give me a chance to talk to a doctor.
I was on Twitter and I saw Rocket Health had made a home call to a friend of mine and taken blood samples for a test. I then reached out to her and she told me the process in which I could reach out to Rocket Health.
We had a mandatory test at work, and I turned to be one of the positive cases. I was pretty scared, but the service that I got from these guys was really very great.
I pressed *280#. I pressed 1. I asked for doctor to say doctor, medical consultation.
one of my sons called me and said, my adopted son, and he said, Auntie, I think you need to get onto this program. I've looked at it and it's a good one. He told me, but I wasn't quite impressed because I knew so many of these things come up every now and then they don't last, and then they are not efficient. So
it was last year in 2020 while I was at work. I wasn't feeling very well. So a friend shared the contacts and I reached out. I called their toll-free line and I was immediately connected to a physician. And I remember she was very courteous and very professional. I explained my symptoms to her and she recommended some tests. So I kept on wondering, how are we going to carry out the tests?
I talked to a workmate who was really scared about this, and I told her, why can't you dial *280# and try to get the services?
There are actually 4 options. There is the lab test, there is pharmacy, and the other 2 that I don't think I remember, but if at all you need those services, you can get there.
It was around 11:20. By around 12, the lab technician had already come to work. She was tested, and by 2, she had gotten her results.
You don't want to be spending hours or taking the whole day off just to be in line waiting for medication or treatment or consultation.
My fiance and I suffered COVID-19 and we relied on Rocket Health from the get-go, from first testing our samples, but then the follow-through, which was making sure that we had received treatment in the form of zinc, in the form of cough syrups.
They have learned to deliver the medicine. You talk to them, you buy the medicine, and they give it to a boda guy, and you describe your location, and the boda delivers this message.
I was very happy. My wife was very happy. Actually, I went to my Twitter handle and I tweeted about it.
After 3 hours, I had my whole prescription at my doorstep. You guys, I was happy. I was overwhelmed. I was excited. I was like, I'm not turning back. It really saves you that trip to the doctors. And also during this time where people are really busy, the time constraints.
They know you are either you started feeling headache, you started feeling stomachache, your stomach started, and how are you now? They reach where you were today. That record keeping is very good.
I would think about it and I'm like, if I ask for permission to leave, then I go and sit in a queue.
Wow, I haven't had this. I don't have to run out to go and buy medicine, and here are people that are very polite and very caring.
Sorry, my boo-boo. I can assure you the consultation is like it's a physical consultation, because the kind of questions they ask you really kind of bring out what exactly you're feeling. Like the doctor can call you, you're struggling, and they're like, how are you? And yeah, you feel nice. Sometimes I'm like, I'm not okay, so they call again. But
sometimes hospitals are really hard and frustrating, that long line, that waiting, especially immunizations, and you have to specifically go on Wednesday and then you make that line.
All my kids, I've not had to go specifically to hospital for minor consultations, and for any minor medication, they have always delivered that for me.
They came, took the sample, and I can say I got the results within 35 minutes.
What caught my eye was the health insurance program, and little did I know that surely we need a health insurance program in Uganda.
The insurance company that I was using that we use at our workplace joined the platform, which became even easier for me because it meant that I didn't have to go to the hospital.
Guys, the Rocket Health customer service is on another notch. You don't have to remember when you're supposed to go back to hospital. The doctors will have you on dial.
Feels so good because you're in hospital lines the whole day and you just don't want to redo it in your other health problems. Yeah, so that's why I started using Rocket Health, and I am now a Rocket Health addict.
I would be glad to recommend Rocket Health for a number of reasons. One, they have very good charges.
They deliver in any area, in any remote area.
Actually, they reach the last mile. of the health system.
You never have to leave your home when you have Rocket Health.
Even though it's 6 or 5, I will get my medication.
Physical contact is becoming less and less. I think they are the people to go to.
You need to join Rocket Health. It makes your life easier.
Yes, they're on this journey with you and there is a lot of trust.
Rocket Health is here to serve us.
It's been run by our own people, our own young people. So for me, that is a plus.
I have recommended Rocket Health to very many people.
What do I think Rocket Health can do better? I think communicate in case they're delayed.
Go beyond cities and go deep in villages, because this is where their service is actually required most.
Definitely scale would be such a good thing at this point for something like Rocket Health.
If your services don't reach the common man who is up country, it's almost a disservice to them and they feel left out.
If those guys can get services of Rocket Health, what better way to enhance our healthcare?
I think making some specialists available on the platform, dentists, opticians, I don't know if you have ENT, and those other complicated.
Okay, to the Rocket Health team, you guys are amazing. Thank you for vibing me. You even gave me gifts last year.
That's tremendous work that will
To be there alive.
You are sweeter than cocoa. Girl, you're the song to my soul. How can I take you out tonight? I just wanna be by your side. You're beautiful, you're sweet on every side. I want you, honey, I want you to be there by my side. Woman, and I tell you this, you're so sweet and lovely, girl. Woman, and I tell you this, you're so sweet and lovely, baby. Sakana, utu wenyida sangu jama wabu a star when I dream of you. It's you I long to please. When you walk on by, it's your sound and it's all that I have. Me now so if I'm mojo wild and free, nakutamani penzi wangu unaenda wapi? Kutakamani tamani, baby I'm thinking of you. I wanna be right there where you are. I wanna be right here, you're right. Kiss on my lips every moment is all I want. I've been lost in your arms, touch me where you reside. Baby, as long as you're near, I'm not afraid. Your love is all I desire. Show me paradise. She want me, make love to the morning. She a princess. take it down here. Baby, there's so money. Se usa so che mani. La come paga tu te. No one then on the day. Anche sola mamma si che. Se usa so che mani. La come paga tu te. No one then on the day. Anche sola mamma si che. Thank you.
That's DJ Cream.